Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning Surah Al-Maida and number 74 and onwards. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم أفلا يتوبون إلى الله ويستغفرونه والله غفور رحيم. A, Hamza is very sharp for fatha upon jaw. Fa, give hams on fa for fatha upon jaws. The sound is short. La, two counts long. Ya, keep ya soft for fatha upon jaws. Two for the circle lips, make it down, two counts long. Boo, two counts long. Na for fatha upon jaws. The sound is short. E for kasra, keep e sound. Law, keep lam light, but lafz jalala will be heavy because there is fatha before it. Law. Then lafz jalala is always long. He for kasra give e sound. Uwa for makhraj of circling the lips for top and jaws. The sound is short. Yes. Yeah, yes. The light for top and jaws attached with sin. Sin will get sifa for khawa. And safid. And it is light. Yes. Ta is sharp for top and jaws attached with ghain. Ghain will get it sifa of rakhawa and it is heavy. Tell P for kasra give E sound. Oru Ra is heavy for the circle lips, make it two counts long. Nah. For fatha upon jaws attached with ha will get sifa of raqawa because it is with sukoon now because of the wa. Wow. For wow, circle lips, for fatha upon jaws, lafz jalala will be heavy because there is fatha before it. Wallah. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name is always long. Who? For the circle lips, the sound is short. Gha, ghain is heavy for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Fu, for the circle lips, make it two sounds long. Urur. This is idgham, and both ra are heavy. Urur. And give the wasut here. Urur. Urwa, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Him. Because of this waqf, you are giving sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned this two counts long into four. This is mad arid li sukoon. Wallahu ghafurur rahim. أفلا يتوبون إلى الله ويستغفرونه والله غفور رحيم. Mal for fatha upon jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of the wasut, and the wasut is medium flow of sound. This meme is not anymore long because it is attached with lam now. Ma for fatha upon jaw. C two counts long. Hub for the circle lips on ha, but as you will touch ba, your lips should be in a straight position and ba will get sifa of qalqala. Qalqala is tabaud. Hub no for the circle lips and sound is short. Maw for fatha upon jaws attached with ra will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow of sound. Maw for fatha upon jaws. Ma for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Il Hamza is very sharp for kasra e sound attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. La two counts long. Ra for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Su and ra is heavy. Whenever ra is with fatha, the might is heavy. Su for the circle lips, make it two counts long. Long for the circle lips. And there is ikhfa coming. This ikhfa is heavy because qaf is among heavy letters. Long qad. Qaf is heavy for fatha upon jaws attached with dal. Dal will get sifa of qalqala and keep dal light. Qa is heavy for fatha upon jaws. Lat for fatha upon your jaws attached with ta. Ta will get sifa of hums, and hums is flow of breath. Meow for kasra e sound, and there is qalqala. Sorry, this is ikhfa. This ikhfa is heavy because qaf is among heavy letters. Miaqab for fatha upon jaws attached ba, keep ba light and make qalqala on it. Li for kasra give E sound. Hiru for kasra give E sound attached with ra. Ra will be heavy and ra will get tawassut first. Hiru. Ru for Dhamma circle your lips. As you will give Dhamma, your lips should be in a circle position. Ru, su for Dhamma circle your lips. Lu for Dhamma circle your lips. The sound is short. Wa, makhraj of power circling your lips. For ta open jaws, the sound is short. For Dhamma circle your lips attached with me, we will get sifa off. Gunna and this gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Mu for Dhamma circle lips, the sound is short. Hu for Dhamma circle lips and make it 2 counts long. Slid slot is heavy. Whenever you are making any heavy letter, you are not circling your lips, but you are just lifting your tongue up to make it heavy. Slid for kasra give E sound attached with dal. Dal will get sifa of shidda. Slid D 2 count long. Qaf. Qaf is heavy for fatha open jaws. As you will touch this ta on buff, it will be changed into ha and it will get raqawa because it is with sukun now because of the waqf. Siddiqa. Ka, 2 counts long. Na, 2 counts long. Ya, you keep ya light for fatha open jaws attached with hamza. Hamza will get sifa of shidda. So there is no flow of sound whatsoever. Ya, ku for the circular lips without hums. La, 2 counts long. Nyap for kasra give E sound attached with ta. Ta will be heavy. So keep your tongue and your lips straight and lift your tongue up to make ta heavy. Nyap, ta. This is the sound short. Ein from your throat. And because of the waqf, you are giving sukoon on this meme. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long all into 4. This is madarat sukoon. And meme will get sifa of the wasat too because it is with sukoon now. Okay, how you determine the haraka on Hamzatul Wasl, you will count simply, you will count third letter. If third letter has Dhamma, you will give Dhamma on the Hamzatul Wasl. Otherwise, give Kasra. So here you find Dhamma, so you are giving Dhamma on Hamzatul Wasl. So it will be and for Dhamma, circle your lips. And as you will touch Ikhfa, your lips should be in a straight position. This ikhfa is heavy because dha is among heavy letter. So make it heavy by lifting your tongue up. For dhamma circle your lips attached with ra. Ra will be heavy because there is dhamma before it. Kai. This is yailin, so make it soft, make it 2 counts long. Fa, give hums on fa. For fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Nu, for dhamma circle your lips, the sound is short. Bay, for fatha open jaws attached with ya. Here you are giving nabar, and nabar is jump off sound. When you are attaching ba with ya, here you are applying nabar. Bay. But with kasra, the ya will be very soft and normal. E, nu, for the circle your lips, the sound is short. La, for fatha open jaws. Hu, for the circle your lips, the sound is short. Mul, for the circle your lips attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow of sound. 2 counts long. Hamza is very sharp. Keep the sharpness there. Yeah, 2 counts long. Keep ya soft. T for kasra give E sound. The sound is short. Thum for the circular lips that mimi will get sifa of kunna. This kunna is akmal. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Ma for fatha upon jaws and then create ikhfa. This ikhfa is heavy because dha is among heavy letters. So keep your tongue up to create this heavy ikhfa. Manzur for the circular lips attached with ra. Ra will get sifa of tawassut and tawassut is medium flow of sound. This ra will be heavy because there is the ma before it. Ghur. And Hamza is very sharp. For fatha open jaws that it noon will get sifa of kunna. This kunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Na, then it will be 2 counts long. You for dhamma circle lips, keep ya soft. As you will touch hamza, your lips should be in a straight position. and Hamza will give a strong shidda sound here. You f give hams on fa for fatha upon jaws. Poon. Give tawassut on noon because of this waqf. Because of this waqf, you are giving sukoon on noon. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is madarat lis sukoon. ما المسيح ابن مريم إلا رسول قد خلت من قبله الرسل وأمه صديقة كانا يأكلان الطعام انظر كيف نبين لهم الآيات ثم انظر أنا يؤفكون. قل قاف is heavy for Dhamma, circle lips attached with lam, lam will get sifa of tawassut. Hamza is very sharp. Ta for fatha open jaws attached with ain, ain will get sifa of tawassut, and ain should be from your throat. Bu for Dhamma, circle lips, the sound is short. Du 2 comes long. Na for fatha open jaws. Nya for kasra give e sound, and this is ikhfa. Ikhfa, this ikhfa is light because dal is among light letters, so keep your tongue straight. Do for the muscle lips, make it 2 counts long. Nillahi. For kasra give e sound, lafz jalala will be light here because there is kasra before it. Nilla, lafz jalala is always 2 counts long. He for kasra give e sound, the sound is short. Ma 2 counts long. La 2 counts long. Yeah, is soft for fatha open jaws attached with meme. You will get sifa. Tawassut is medium flow of sound. Li for kasra give e sound. Ku for dhamma circle lips, the sound is short. La for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Kum for dhamma circle lips attached with meme. You will get sifa. Tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow of sound. Waru for dod, make your sound heavy by lifting your tongue up. You're not circling your lips at all, and attached with raw. Raw will be heavy here, and it will get tawassut first. Wrong. Idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Wrong. Makhraj of our circling your lips, fatha open jaws, la 2 counts long. Naf for fatha open jaws attached with fa, give hams on ra, fa, uh, give hams on fa and rakhawa on fa. Amad, I will it make it 2 counts long. Well, makhraj of circling your lips for fatha open jaws attached with lam, laps, the jalala will be heavier because there is fatha before it. Wallah, it is always long. Who for the circle ellipse, the sound is short. Who for the circle ellipse, the sound is short. Was makhraj of waw circling your lips, fatha open jaws attached with sin gets sifa rakhawa, and it is light, and it has safir. Was for fatha open jaws, me 2 counts long. Roll ain from your throat for the circle ellipse attached with lam will get sifa tawassut. Ain from your throat, lean. Because of this waqf, you are giving sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is madarat li sukoon. قل أتعبدون من دون الله ما لا يملك لكم ضرا ولا نفعا والله هو السميع العليم. قل for the circle left attached with lam, lam will get sifa of tawassut. Keep lam light but qaf heavy. Ya mad muttasil wajib, make it 4 counts long. Hamza is very sharp. Fatha open jaws attached with ha. Ha will get sifa of rakhawa, and rakhawa is flow of sound. Lal for fatha open jaws attached with lam, lam will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow of sound. Ki for kasra give e sound. Ta, two counts long. B, for kasra, give E sound. La, two counts long. Ta, keep ta very sharp. For fatha upon jaws, attach it. Line will get sifa of rokhawa, and it is heavy. Ta, lu, for the circle lips, make it two counts long. Fi, give hams and fa, make it two counts long. D, two counts long. Ni, for kasra, give E sound. For the circle lips, attach it. Me, we will get sifa of the wasut and ruling it with her. Ghain is heavy for her top on jaws, attach it. Yeah, this is lean, so make it soft and make it two count long. Oral for her top on jaws, attach it. Lam gets it for the wasut, and the wasut is medium flow of sound. Haqi, ha from your throat with hums for her top on jaws, attach it. Qaf will get sip of shidda first. Ha, and then qi for kasra give e sound. It will be comparatively light because qaf is with kasra here. Wa مخرج فوق circling your lips فتحة open jaws لا two counts long tat for فتحة open jaws attached ta will get sifa of shidda means no flow of sound tat ta for فتحة open jaws the sound is short b for kasra give e sound ru ain from your throat make it two counts long or four counts long mad munfasil jaiz and for dhamma circle your lips Hamza is very sharp. For fatha upon jaws attached with ha will get sifa of raqaba, and raqaba is flow of sound. Wa makhraj of waw circling lips make it four counts long. Mad muttasil wajib. Hamza is very sharp. These two sounds should be very clearly heard. Wa Qaf is heavy for the upon jaws. This is vowel so make it two counts long, make it soft. Meow. Focus, give E sound first and then make a heavy iqfa because Qaf is among heavy letters. Meow. Qad. Qaf is heavy for the upon jaws attached. Dal will get sifa of qalqala and qalqala is tabaud. Well, God is heavy for the upon jaws attached. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Lu for the circle lips make it two counts long. Meow. uh, First give kasra because of the make e sound because of the kasra and then create heavy ikhfa. This heavy ikhfa is created by lifting your tongue up, but you are not circling your lips because qaf is among heavy letter. Meow. Qab. Qaf is heavy for fatha open jaws attached. Ba will get sifa qalqala and qalqala is tabaud. Keep ba light. Lu for the circle lips, the sound is short. Wa makhraj of waw is circling your lips for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Hamza is very sharp for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Well, God is heavy for fatha open jaws attached with lam. Lu for the circle lips make it two counts long. Kaf is light for fatha open jaws. Si two counts long. Around for fatha open jaws attached. Wow, this is idgham. This idgham is it has gunna too. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Huwa for wow circle your lips for fatha open jaws. Well for dot for fatha open jaws make dot heavy attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Well and then lu for the circle lips make it two counts long. Ain from your throat for fatha open jaws and this ikhfa is light because a scene is among light letters. So keep your tongue straight. For fatha open jaws. Wa mad muttasil wajib make it four counts long. Is for kasra give e sound attached with scene let sifa of rakhawa and it is light and it has safir. Bil because of the waqf, you are giving sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned this two counts long vowel into four. This is mad adli sukoon, and you are giving tawassut on lam too because it has sukoon now. قل يا أهل الكتاب لا تغلوا في دينكم غير الحق ولا تتبعوا أهواء قوم قد ضلوا من قبل وأضلوا كثيرا وضلوا عن سواء السبيل. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.